Make a great choice today with the 2021 Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime offers you all the efficiencies that you've come to expect from an electric hybrid vehicle. A comfortable ride, solid handling, and a plethora of technology features are all items you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the Prius Prime. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display, fog lights, trip computer. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.